Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we highlight our most popular recent stories. First up is Blue Origin's successful simulation of lunar gravity during a recent suborbital flight of the New Shepard. The reusable launch vehicle spun its capsule to provide approximately 2 minutes of 1/6 Earth gravity for research payloads. See our video coverage of the launch and learn more about how the experiment aims to advance lunar research. Meanwhile, in other space rocket news, SpaceX will face an FAA investigation to determine the cause of the latest Starship explosion. The company has been ordered to delay future launches until corrective measures are implemented. Learn more about the incident and what's next for Starship in our write-up. Now we turn our attention to the sea. A cargo ship will undergo a 2-year pilot project to demonstrate the feasibility of capturing and storing 70% of CO2 emissions from its main engine. The Clipper Eris from oil and gas transporter Solvang aims to provide a scalable solution for decarbonizing the global shipping industry. Watch this video to discover more about the ship's onboard carbon capture and storage system. In the automotive industry, Nissan has initiated real-world testing of its autonomous driving technology on the streets of Japan. The automaker deployed a specially equipped minivan with a goal of achieving level 4 autonomy by the end of the decade. Head on over to our article to better understand Nissan's driverless ambitions. Lastly, GE Aerospace is investing $1 billion to bolster its U.S. manufacturing and supply chain. The efforts will focus on expanding production sites for both commercial and military engines and scaling advanced manufacturing technologies. Check out this write-up for more information about the expansion plan. For more industrial news and trends, head to thomasnet.com/insights. I'm Megan Conniff, and this is Thomas Top 5.